Hey everyone, it's once again that time of the month. I'm going to go through everything I emptied in the month of September 2023. By the way, if you're new, welcome. I'm WIGO Warrior, aka Julie. WIGO stands for When You Get Old. Alright, the first item I'm going to talk about is this product here, which is from Shop Miss A. It's from AOA Studios. It's a lovely tin container that is completely empty. It had some soap in here that is used to wash brushes. I would just take this by the sink, wet the brush, rub it around. I have one of those little things that you could stick on your fingers. It's kind of silicone with some ridges, and then I would just wash the brush. I enjoyed it. This had a lovely scent of peach, and it costs $1. I would definitely pick it up again the next time I do a Shop Miss A haul. The next item I emptied is this deodorant from Degree. This is the sheer powder. I enjoy this. I've been using this for years. I always pick it up. I enjoy the scent. It's a go-to, and I pick it up at Target. I want to say it comes in a 2-pack, which is a much better deal. Next we have a toothpaste. This is the one that me and my husband use, mainly my husband. He gets up for work really early, so he brushes his teeth in the downstairs bathroom so that he doesn't wake me up. This is from Arm & Hammer. It's the Peroxicare. I really enjoy it, and we definitely always repurchase. Speaking of toothpaste, this is the toothpaste I went through, and it is from Colgate. It's the Optic White Pro Series. This was in, I want to say, a 4-pack that I picked up from Costco, and I think I have 1, possibly 2 left. All right, those are all the products that were not makeup nor skincare. On to skincare, I used up this serum from Sunday Riley. This is the B3 Nice with 10% niacinamide. You tell me, did it do anything to my skin? I honestly never notice anything when it comes to serums or moisturizers. I just go by, did I enjoy the product itself? Like, do I like the formula? Do I like how it feels on my skin? And I would say yes, this was really nice. And I want to say I got this in an Allure beauty box. Would I buy it again? Because I own so many serums, probably not. But because I love it, yes, I would. Is it a little pricey? Yes. But if money wasn't an issue and I didn't already own 10,000 products, I would definitely repurchase this. I also went through another serum, and it's the Ormedic Balancing Antioxidant Serum. I have no idea where this came from. Possibly Allure? I don't know. It felt really nice. I enjoyed it. Would I purchase it again? Again, same scenario. I own so many. Depends on the price. But yes, it was good enough where if money wasn't a factor, I would definitely pick it up. All right, this next product, I guess we could call it skincare. This is from e.l.f. It's the Suntouchable Whoa Glow SPF 30. I enjoy this a lot. First of all, it's super affordable at $14. Secondly, I already have a backup, if I can only find it, because I want to start using it. This is so good. Now, if you don't enjoy glowy skin, you may not like this, but it does not sting your eyes. It has a subtle tint, so on those days where you're not going to put any kind of makeup on and you just put your SPF, it gives a little something. It isn't a skin tint. Don't get it twisted, but it does give a little something to your face, a nice glow, and it just makes you look human, if that makes any sense. But this is fantastic. I strongly recommend, and most definitely would repurchase. All right, the next 7 items fall into the category of makeup. Let's start with the least makeup-y item, but it is a makeup wipe. This is the Rich Radiance Cocoa Butter Cleansing Wipes. I want to say I got this at the Dollar Tree, so a whole $1.25. You get 25 wipes, and I didn't use it on my face. I use this when filming to remove swatches from my hands. It works perfectly. It has a nice scent. I don't know if I would use it on my face. I don't know. There's something about wipes from the Dollar Tree, but it smelled lovely. and work great on the back of my hand. Definitely I would repurchase, particularly for only $1.25. The next product I emptied is one of my holy grails. This is the Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift in Waterproof. I love this mascara. I bounce between this and the L'Oreal. If you like an hourglass brush shape, it is fantastic. You have seen this in many previous Empties videos, and I'm certain you will see it in the future. If you've been following me for a while, you have seen this eyeliner in numerous videos. This is from Tarte. It's the double take. The end that has the, what do you call that? Gel tip. That was used up a long time ago. What lasted forever is the liquid eyeliner. It does, by the way, have a ball shaker mechanism. This lasted forever. Like, I want to say a good 9 to 12 months beyond when I used up the gel eyeliner piece. So if you like things to empty at the same time, maybe not for you. If you like a pricier, I was going to say bougie, it's not bougie, but Tarte isn't a drugstore. If you like your products to last a really long time, this lasted a really long time. Would I repurchase? In fact, one is on its way. I really enjoyed this eyeliner duo. I also emptied another product from Tarte. This here, actually technically it's from Sugar Rush, which is a sub-brand of Tarte. And this here is the Fresh Pressed, which I once thought was a cream blush. It's actually a lip product. It smells really nice, kind of like cantaloupe, fruity, sweet, and it felt nice on the lips. My only mini complaint is because it's so wide, it sometimes got outside my lips. Would I buy it again? Yes and no. Mainly, it wasn't, the formula itself wasn't bad enough for me not to buy it, but the packaging, I don't know, there's so many other lip products I own that I prefer, but if it was gifted to me or came in a beauty box, yes, I would definitely use it. All right, here we have a lip oil, lip gloss. What are you? It's from Ulta Beauty. It's the Juice Infused Lip Oil. This, I tolerated. It has a nice enough scent, but the taste that you get, I know nobody's going to want to eat lip oils, but anything you put in your lips gets into your mouth and you end up tasting it. It kind of has that, I don't want to say chemically, but that certain flavor that beauty products have that isn't the best. It also was a product that I used up rather quickly. So even if it's like $10, if you're going to use it up in like 2 weeks, pass. I also used up this lip oil from ColourPop. This is the Lux Lip Oil. It's in the color, flavor, scent, Gen Zen. It was okay. Again, I didn't really care for the taste. Again, it just creeps in. Also, with the packaging, there is a little up top and a little at the bottom that you can't quite scrape out because it's a slightly wider bottle or container. And so because it's stiff, you can't quite get it all out. But I want to say this is only like $6. So if you're ever doing a ColourPop haul, it might be worth trying. But again, I didn't dislike it, but it's not my favorite. I have other lip products, lip oils that I prefer. But if I got it in a box or as a gift, I would definitely use it. All right, and then the last product is from Becca. This here is a lip tint in the color shade Rose, which you know how I feel about rose, but it doesn't smell like rose and really has no color. It's very, 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 very softly peach, but once it's on the lips, you really can't see it. It was really nice. I prefer this type of packaging for my lips. Something that you roll up, quickly toss on. It's just my favorite applicator for a lip balm. It is nice packaging. This is metal. I don't even know where this came from. Most likely an advent calendar or some kind of beauty subscription box. All right, that is everything I emptied in the month of September. Leave me a comment and let me know if you have used or tried any of these products. And if so, do you feel the same way about the product as I do? All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.